Me and my dad just want to go the distance without breaking anything, or twisting anything, or pulling something, or dislocating.
Well, it's only a game, right?
You think you're so fucking...
This is Candyland, a place you pretend to visit when you play this game. The cards show you how to follow the path through Candyland. You'll discover the gingerbread plum tree, a rainbow pass, and Gumdrop Mountain. But be careful of the cherry pitfalls, and don't get stuck in Molasses Swamp.
The stories of Tupac and Biggie are inextricably linked, and even now, the truth remains evasive. Who killed these men?
I'm Blink Blink, I'm Blink Blink. You can tell it 'cause it's just I'm a rating ring. Got mo style, ain't no pest. Gonna keep rapping hard till I get to the death.
Just go to the garage to get my... Whoa!
Top 10 most powerful anime characters of all time.
Oh yeah, that nurse was nice.